to explain all the things that you do to me. By mere Mr. Shane, please let me explain. By mere Mr. Shane means you're grand. By mere Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wonderful. Each language only helps me tell you how glad you are. I've tried to explain by mere Mr. Shane. So kiss me and say you understand. By mere Mr. Shane, you've heard it all before, but let me try to explain. By mere Mr. Shane means that you're grand. By mere Mr. Shane, it's such an old refrain, and yet I should explain. It means I am begging for your hand. I could say Bella, Bella, even say I'm wonderful. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. Really, 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 really. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wonderful. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain by mere Mr. Shane. So kiss me and say that you will understand.
And boys and girls, it's really nice to see some familiar faces out here today. The next number we have for you is an Andrews Sisters number. This is called Rum and Coca-Cola.
If you ever go down Trinidad, they make you feel so very glad. Calypso, sing and make a rhyme. Guarantee you one real good time drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down through both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. If the Yankee comes to Trinidad, they got the young girls all going mad. Young girls say they treat them nice, make Trinidad like paradise, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down through both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. Chicky chick carry to Mona style, make the girls all dance and smile. Young soldiers celebrate his leave, makes every day like New Year's Eve, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Cooper, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. In old Trinidad I also fear the situation is mighty queer, like the Yankee girls and native swoon when she hear the little crew drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Cooper, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. Out on Manzanella Beach, run, little girl, go down the moonlight. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. Run, little girl, working for the Yankee dollar. There'll be love and laughter and peace ever after. Tomorrow, when the world is free. A shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be blue run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't give the farmer his fun, fun, fun. He'll get by without his rabbit hide. So run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run. Oh, run away, run away, run away, run, rabbit, run. Oh, go away, go away, go away, go, rabbit, go. You better get started, get on your feet. Better be going for a treat. Just gotta be a little wise guy, or you'll just be rabbit pie. Oh, rabbit, run away, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run away. Run, rabbit, run away, run far away. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run away, run, rabbit, run, run, run away. Run, rabbit, run away. Don't give the farmer his fun today. He'll get by without his rabbit pie. So run, rabbit, run, run, rabbit, run. Hey, rabbit, say, rabbit, come right here. Hey, rabbit, say, rabbit, can't you hear? She wants you to make a cup this year. So rabbit, oh rabbit, come right here. Darn rabbit can't grab it, oh my dear. She wants you for her first this year. Gets her goat to where her last year's goat. But dang, now that fast rabbit won't come here.
Thank you very much. The next song we have for you is also an Andrew Sisters song, but with a bit more of a country feel. It's called Don't Fence Me In. Oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in. Just turn me loose. Let me straddle my old saddle underneath the western skies. On my kites, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountains rise. I want to ride to the ridge where the west condenses and gaze at the moon till I lose my senses. And I can't look at hobbles and I can't stand fences. Don't fence me in. Oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in. Just turn me loose. Let me straddle my own saddle underneath the western sky. On my kites, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountains rise. I want to ride to the ridge where the west commences and gaze at the moon till I lose my senses. And I can't look at hobbles and I can't stand fences. Don't fence me in. No, Papa, don't you fence me in. In the garden, what a garden, only happy faces bloom there, and there's never any room there for a worry or a gloom there. All this music and this dancing and a lot of sweet romancing. When they play the polka, they all get in the swing. Every time they hear that papa, everybody feels so tra-la-la. They want to throw their cares away. They all go la-dee-ah-dee-day. Then they hear a rumble on the floor. It's a big surprise they're waiting for. And all the couples form a ring. For miles around you hear them sing.
Festival, which, if you don't know anything about it, it's a 3-week-long festival programmed by the WMC. And I have to get this right. There are 250 performances in total in the whole festival, and 192 of them are completely free. So we think that's really, really great. So thank you to the WMC for having us. This next song is Tea for Two. I'm discontented with homes that are rented, so I have invented my own. Darling, this place is a lover's oasis, where life's weary chase is unknown. Far from the cry of the city, where flowers freely caress the street, cozy to hide in, to live side by side in. Don't let it abide in my dream. Picture you upon my knee, tea for two and two for tea, me for you and you for me alone. Nobody near us to see us or hear us, no family relations, not weekend vacations. What have you known, dear, beyond the telephone? Dear, day will break and you'll away. Start to bake a sugar cake, me to take for all the boys to see. We will raise a family, I'll point just for you and her for me. Can't you see how happy we will be? We will raise a family, I'll point
number is one of our favourites. This is a Boswell Sisters number. It's called I'm Going to Sit Right Down and Write Myself a Letter.
Mailman passes by, I just wonder why he never stops to ring my front doorbell. Not a single line from that old love of mine, not a word since that last heard farewell. That's the reason that I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter. Make believe it came from you. Oh, I'm gonna write words oh so sweet, they gotta knock me off my feet. A lot of kisses on the bottom, I'll be all so glad I got them. I'm gonna smile and say I hope you're feeling better. Close with love the way you used to do. Oh, I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter. Make believe, make believe, make believe the letter came from you. Indeed I do, and make believe it came from you. I'm tired of waiting, 'cause I'm so blue, thinking of you all day through. I'm gonna say the sweet things that I love to hear. I live in a dream and just pretend you're near. I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter. I'm gonna fool myself when I make myself believe the letter came from you. Make believe it came from you.
Hey! Woo! Woo!
You like my smile, you like my style, but why don't you let me know it? You like my walk, you like my talk, well there's only one way to show it. If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Holland, stick your hands right on and shout, give me some skin, my friend, step right up and take your stand. You don't have to be timid, stick your hands right on and shout, give me some skin, my friend, smack it, whack it, let your hands rotate, show it, blow it, put it in your pocket for a future date. If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Holland, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend. If you like my style, we'll show it. If you like my smile, let me know it. If you like my walk, please tell me. If you like my talk, well skin me, Papa, skin me.
If you want to shake my hand, like they do it in Holland, baby, stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend, step right up and take your stand. You don't have to be timid, baby.
Stick your hands right out and shout, give me some skin, my friend, smack it, whack it, my friend, let your hands rotate, show it, blow it, put it in your pocket for a future date. Step right up and shake my hand, want to shake my hand like they do it in Harlem. Stick your head right out and shout, give me some skin. Give me some skin. Give me some skin, my friend. Tickle, 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 tock. It's tickle, tickle, here's a cuckoo in my club. Now when he says cuckoo, he means it's time to move. It's tickle time for all the lovers in the club. I've got a heavy date, a date that I hate. So tickle, tickle, tell me, is it getting late? If I'm not time cuckoo, but if I'm late cuckoo, though all my heart is going to make I won't away. But just a birdie and a birdie who goes nowhere. He knows of every lover's lane and how to go there. For in affairs of the heart, my teeth was terribly smart. He tells me gently, sentimentally at the start. Oh, I hear my little tinkle, tinkle calling, because the time is right and shades of night are falling. I love that now so cuckoo, cuckoo in the fall. Tinkle, 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 tock. I've got a date that day to celebrate with my friend. Tinkle, tinkle, tock. That's a cuckoo, cuckoo in the clock. Tinkle, 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 tock. Tinkle, 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 tock. Tinkle, tock. Mother, 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 I met a man today. Mother, 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 he's perfect in every way, with a natural sophistication and a four-year college education. Mother, I know you'll love him so, 'cause he's a sentimental gentleman from Georgia, Georgia. Gentle to the ladies all the time. So gentle to the ladies. And when it comes to loving, he's a real professor. A PhD, yes sir. Just a Mason, Dixon, Valentine, Valentine, Valentine. Oh, see those Georgia peaches hanging around him now. 'Cause what this fella teaches, nobody else knows how. That sentimental gentleman from Georgia, Georgia, gentle to the lady all the time.
Mother, mother advised me what to do.
As your mother, I feel it is my moral obligation to master all of your likely situation in which you, my daughter, will eventually be broken-hearted because of a friendship which never should have started. So take the advice of your mother, my dear child. Forget about this man, this so-called Mason Dixon Valentine. Go find yourself someone more genuinely and less sentimental to the ladies all the time.
Oh, thank you, mother dear, I'm so grateful to you. But I forgot to mention,
I just got married to that sentimental gentleman from Georgia, Georgia. He's so gentle to the ladies all the time. He's wonderful, that sentimental gentleman from Georgia.
So here she is. Sitting down, wondering what it's all about. You ain't got no money, they won't put you out. Why don't you do right, like some other men do? Get out of here and get me some money too. If you had prepared 20 years ago, you wouldn't be wandering out from door to door. Don't you do right, like some other man do? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Get out of here and get me some money too. Now all you got to offer me is a drink, don't you? Why don't you do right, like some other man do? Do-do-do-do-do. Get out of here and get me some money too. Why don't you do right, like some other man do? Like some other man do. What good is melody if it ain't possessing something sweet? It ain't the music, it ain't the melody, it's something else that makes that tune complete. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that sweet. It don't mean a thing. All you gotta do is sing. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hard. You just give that rhythm everything you got. Well, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that sweet. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hard. You just give that rhythm everything you got. Well, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do-wah, 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 do-wah. Do-wah, 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 do-wah. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing.
Well, that man, sing along if you know it. I'm in a little bit of trouble, and I'm in real deep. From the beginning to the end, he was no more than a friend to me. The thought is making me hazy. I think I better sit down. It's like the sweetest serenade, but he knows it's not a play to me. Twisting round on a carousel, it speaks too much to stop. 1 second I'm thinking I'm feeling lost, and then I feel alive. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man treats me like a game. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Now it's like I'm on a mission, ready in every way. And if it takes a little while, and it feels a little wrong, who cares? My baby fits the description, he does it easily. And little Gable's on his stare, and he dances like it hard to breathe. Someone call a doctor, need some help to rescue me. 1 second I'm thinking I must be lost, and it keeps on finding me. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man treats me like a game. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ba-do-do-da, ba-do-ba, ooh, ba, ba-do-ba, ooh, ba, ba-do-ba, ba-do-ba-do-da-da-da-da, ba-do-ba-do-da-da-da-da-da-da. Find that man. You betcha I'm gonna find that man. Ooh, I wanna find that man. I'm gonna find that man. It's like a flame. Do-do-do-da-da-da-da. I'm gonna find that man. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. So we performed this morning, and all the audience joined in with some singing. So the pressure's on. Just join in with us. You ready? Ooh, ba, ba, da, ba, 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 ooh, I'm gonna find that man. Our website is thesirensisters.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter and all the usual places. Thank you very much to the WMC for having us, and thank you for being such a great audience who sat and watched the whole time. Thank you very much. This next song we have for you is a medley of all of our favourite 1940 songs.
tutti goes late to the bar. He boogie rhythm, come on, no dress, the basic guitar is playing with him. He makes a country jump when he was reveling. He's a boogie boogie bugle boy, company B.
Everybody must agree that dancing is strong. When you have a certain one you love in your arms, stepping out with you will be the sweetest of new. A builder of the devil will be in the mood. In the mood. Still got it in the mood. Yeah, spotted in the mood. I want a hot hit, be alive and get the drive, you gotta learn how. Hip, hip, hip. You're not gonna have love, hip, hip, hip. Hot as a pepper, step, step, step. Step over my game, we're hugging, we're in the mood now. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Till I come marching home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Till I come marching home. I just got word from the guy next door to me. The girl he met just loves to pet and fish you to a tea. So don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Till I come marching A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. He's got a girl in Kalamazoo. Don't want no boss, but he knows she's the toast of Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Years have gone by, my mind what you do.
He liked her looks as he carried her books
In Kalamazoo, zoo, 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 zoo. He's gonna say no wonder, hopping on a fire, leaving today.
Is he dreaming? He can hear her screaming.
Mr. Jackson, everything's okay. A-L-A-M-A-Z-O. Oh, what a girl, a real
He'll make his bid for that Franco-based kid he's hurrying to.
He's gonna Michigan to see the sweetest guy. Kalamazoo, zoo, zoo, Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Thank you, everybody. In Kalamazoo. We do have one more for you, just before we do sing that. And there are cards and things on the table. Sorry about the Christmas theme. We don't have any of the other ones left.
We're eco-friendly as well.
Yes, and it is Christmas soon. Sorry. This last song we have for you is Candyman.